Hey guys, Matt here again. We have our third dragon to introduce into our dragon collection here today from Casey at HereBdragons.com. I'm going to open this up in just a minute and show you what it is. And this is going to appear more of a normal colored dragon, but this dragon has the genetics to produce the zero bearded dragon. So that's why we wanted this dragon right here, because it had certain genetics. All right, here we go. We're going to open it up now. All right, first thing that's in here when I open it up is my order number from HereBdragons. All right, and then we've got our styrofoam box here. Take that out. We got a heat pad attached to the top. It's been a little cold here. This was coming from up in the northeast down here to Tennessee. All right, now I've got some, let's pull this paper out of here. Okay, and they package their dragons instead of in a plastic type box. They have their dragons in a bag. And I've seen online some other vendors that do this as well. So let me set this box aside and then we'll open this bag up really carefully and check out our brand new dragon. I can't really tell the orientation of it yet. I haven't messed around with it. But let me get this tie here undone and we'll open it up and introduce you to the new member of our dragon collection. We'll very carefully open this. This dragon might be a little bit frightened. Hey! This dragon's a little bit larger than some of the other ones, and this is a female. It's hypomelanistic. It's visually hypomelanistic, and it is heterozygous for 0, which is what our other dragon, Snowflake, is. Oh yeah, this is so pretty. Let me flip my camera around here and I'll show you, give you some close-ups. All right, here she is right here. Let's set her right here on top of this. All right. She's so pretty. And you can tell that she's missing the her pattern, missing the melanin because she's hypomelanistic. All right, guys, again, I want to thank Casey over at HereBdragons.com. Go check them out. He had great customer service, answered me back on all my messages, shipped this out quickly, and we chatted back and forth in text, and it was just a great customer service. And here, I'll give you one last look at the new addition to our dragon collection. This is a beautiful dragon. I thought it was going to look more like a brown normal, but man, it's more of like a white line, and it is a female, hypomelanistic, and it's heterozygous for 100% for 0. So thanks for watching and stay tuned for our next addition to our dragon collection.